Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss EdCET May 2024 Shift 1 question paper. This will help you improve your exam performance. We are not just checking the answers in this question paper, but also learning how to think and write correctly in your exams. Okay, let's start. This is EdCET General English 2024 Shift 1 question paper. I will take one question at a time. Okay, and I will explain you the correct answer with reasons why that answer is correct among the four options. Okay. This is a comprehension passage questions from 81 to 85. You have to read the passage carefully and mark the correct answers for the given questions. So from 81 to 85, all the questions are related to the comprehension passage. So this is the 81 question of comprehension passage. Your question starts from 81. Okay, this is the comprehension passage question. Options will be given below. You have to go through the passage carefully and take the correct answer from the given passage. Okay. This is question number 82. This is the question, and among these four options, which one you feel correct, you have to answer that from the given passage. As this is a preview question, so marking is given here, but in your question paper, there will be no such marking. You have to do it by yourself. This is question number 83. It is same from the comprehension passage. These are the four options and the correct option is here. When you go through the passage, you will get to know this one. And this is question number 84. This is the question and these are the options from the comprehension passage. So this is the last question number 85, which is from the comprehension passage. After this, you will get the grammar questions. Okay. So let's start with question number 1. Read the questions carefully and choose the correct answer while you were writing exam. This is the preview paper. So already here the answer is given. I will explain you why this answer is correct. And every time, whenever you are answering a question, always think why this answer is correct. Okay. And always read the questions twice and look for keywords. This is very important. Always look for keywords. By this, you can attempt the correct answer. Okay. Here, the question number 86. Choose the correct prefix for the word logical. You know what is the definition of prefix? Prefix is a group of letters added at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. So, what is the correct answer here is illogical. So, when we add prefix in front of the word, then the whole meaning change. Like the meaning of logical is it makes sense. And meaning of illogical is it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. This is how the meaning changes when we add prefix before the word. Okay, next. Question number 87. Here, the question is, which of the following words has been spelled correctly? You have to choose the correct spelled word among the four options. So the correct spelled word is connoisseur. You know, the meaning of connoisseur is a person having deep knowledge and expert in particular field like arts, fine food, music, etc. Means they are skilled in appreciating others. For example, she is a connoisseur of fine chocolate. That means she is an expert in making chocolates. Okay, this is the meaning of connoisseur. In other words like expert, authority, judge, like that. These are the synonyms of connoisseur. Next. Here, question number 88. Okay. Fill in the blanks with a suitable article. We go to school every morning on dash way we see dash beautiful house. And among these four options, the correct one is first one. That is, on the way we see a beautiful house. This is article. A and the. These are articles. The is a definite article. A and an is an indefinite articles. Video about articles is available on my channel. I have explained in a very simple way. You can watch it for more clarity. Clear? So, when we use the and a I will explain you now. The way means a particular route, the same route to go school every day. Definite article, that is the. A beautiful house. When we use when talking about something general and not specific. Not specific. Clear. So it is an indefinite article. Clear. Next. So here, question number 89. When I go back home, I find my mother busy in dash kitchen. Here again, as a question on article. So the correct option is the. We use the because kitchen here refers to a specific place in your house. The is a definite article. Look here, the kitchen. That means it refers to a specific kitchen which is known to us. That is in my house, inside places like kitchen, bathroom, bedroom. We usually use the because it is known parts of the house. A kitchen means any kitchen that is not specific. Any kitchen it may be, not specific, particular to our house related. Clear? Next. Here, question number 90. Question is, complete the sentence by choosing a correct preposition. Ramu looked very tired. He had just come back, dash the gym. So among these four options, the correct one is from. Why? Because from shows the starting point of movement. Like here, Ramu is returning. He is returning after going somewhere. That is the gym. Clear? So we say come back from. That is a place. Okay. So what from shows starting point of movement. Next. Question number 91. Here, choose the correct synonym for the word underline. Question is, after lunch, the children were given a bowl of ice cream. Okay, like for happy, what is the synonym of happy? Like glad, joyful. That means two words has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. That is called a synonym. Clear? So here, for ice cream, the synonym is dessert. This is the correct answer. So it is normally eaten at the end of a meal. Clear? Like after lunch or after dinner. That is. Question number 92. Choose the correct antonym for the word underline. This is the word that is underlined. We have to give antonym for the underlined word. Like question, an elephant is known for being sanguine. Here the question is, an elephant is known for being sanguine. Okay, the meaning of sanguine is optimistic. Here the word sanguine means hopeful, positive, like that. Means it is the person having optimistic characters. Sanguine means. Okay, so we need to find out its opposite meaning. That is pessimistic. That means a person having negative thinking or negative thoughts. So among these four options, none of these options match the opposite of sanguine. So therefore the correct answer is none of the above. This is given wrong as correct option. Okay. The opposite for sanguine. Here are some words related to sanguine, that is hopeful, this is positive, and this is negative. This is optimistic and this is pessimistic. Like hopeful, doubtful, positive, negative, cheerful, gloomy, like that. Okay, so the options given here are none of the above that will match the antonym of the sanguine. Clear? Next. So question number 93. Here, fill in the blanks with a phrasal verb. The teacher was angry with the student who was dash the window. Here, phrasal verbs are given here, and we have to choose the correct phrasal verb from this. So, definition of phrasal verb is a combination of a verb plus a preposition or adverb that gives a new meaning. This is a definition of phrasal verb. So, we have to find out the phrasal verb for this given sentence. Here, the correct answer is looking out of. Looking out of means gazing outside through something or seeing outside through something like a window. So in this sentence, the student is watching outside through the window. So this phrasal verb fits correctly in this sentence. Okay, looking into all, we feel all this one is correct, this one is correct. We feel like that. But this one is wrong, this one is wrong. It gives different meaning. Looking into means investigating something or examining something. Looking for means searching for something. Looking after, this is also wrong. So look out of is the correct choice of this phrasal verb for the given sentence. Clear? Next. Question number 94. Okay, the question here is, which is the correct passive form of the given sentence? I bought this book 2 days ago in the exhibition. This sentence is given in active voice. Okay, and we have to convert it into passive voice. So the correct option here is third one. This book was bought by me 2 days ago in the exhibition. To change from active voice to passive voice, there are some steps which need to be followed. Like these are the steps which need to be followed by when converting from active voice to passive voice. Here, object becomes subject. Here, this is the object which becomes subject. Okay, and we have to use the correct tense of verb, that is bought. This becomes was bought. You have to find out here. I bought. Bought becomes was bought. Okay, here subject becomes by plus object by me. By plus object. Like I becomes by plus me. That is, we have to change this like that and keep the remaining part same. 2 days ago in the exhibition. Clear? So here question number 95. Identify the correct past tense form of the sentence given. This is the question here. Plants are green when you water them every day. We have to change it into past tense. Okay. So here the given sentence, this sentence is in present tense. So we have to change it into past tense. So when we change a sentence from present tense to past tense, here this are becomes were, and water, it will become watered. Clear? So plants were green when you watered them every day. This is the correct past tense for the given sentence which is in present tense. So here question number 96. Join the two given sentences using a proper conjunction. The two sentences are given below here. The teacher in the class taught the lessons very well. This is the first sentence. And the second sentence is, the teacher was strict and got angry easily. Here, the correct answer is but. Why we are using but here? Because but is used to show contrast or opposite ideas. So we are contrasting the two sentences, sentence 1 and sentence 2. Here, the first sentence shows the teacher in the class taught the lesson very well. This is taught the lesson very well. This is a positive idea. Clear? And the second sentence is, it is showing the contrast. The teacher was strict and got angry easily. Here, it is contrasting the idea that the teacher is strict and got angry easily. So when two ideas contrast, we use but. Clear? Every topic of grammar is available on my channel. If you want for more clarity, you can visit my channel. Clear? Next. Question number 97. Add a question tag to the given statement. Here, he always gets the first rank. He is very intelligent. We have to add the question tag for this given statement. Okay. You know what is a question tag? A question tag is a short question added at the end of a sentence to confirm information or ask for agreement. Okay, like to make a question tag, we have to follow some rules, and a detailed video of question tag is available on my channel. You can watch it for more clarity. First step, remember every time, whenever you make a question tag, if the sentence is positive, question tag will be negative. If the sentence is negative, question tag will be positive. You have to keep this in mind. This is very important. Based on this only, you can make question tag. Okay. And remember, In simple way, I'm explaining you. Like here, he is very intelligent. Here, take the helping verb. Is the helping verb here. After confirming this, take the helping verb, put not if the sentence is in positive, and you should not put not if the sentence is in negative. I'm just giving you simple definition. You remember, it is very important for you to attempt this question. And take the subject and put the question tag. Clear? So here, this is the helping verb. Is the helping verb. Here, this sentence is in positive. So we have to put here not in the sentence. Is, isn't. Take the subject. He. Put the question tag. See, the first step is first observe the statement positive or negative. Then take the helping verb. This is second step. And if not is not there in the sentence, that is, if it is in positive, put not, that is a negative question tag. Okay, then take the subject and put the question tag. There are many other rules which I explained on my channel. You can watch it for more clarity of how to make a question tag. Clear? So the correct option is isn't he. Next. Here, question number 98. Which word has the same meaning as the following sentence? Fill in the blank with an appropriate conjunction to complete the sentence. Like question, my teacher has written and published many stories. He or she is dash. So here the correct option is an author. Author is a person who writes and publishes books or stories. The sentence says the teacher has written and published many stories. He or she is an author. Okay, these are wrong. Storyteller means only tells stories verbally. Publishing is not necessary for this. A writer writes, but the author is more accurate when the work is published, given here. Clear? Next. Here, question number 99. Which of the following sentences is correct? Here, among the four options, the correct one is number 4. There are books on my table. Here, books is plural. Okay, so R is correct. Sentence structure is also correct. Clear? So question number 100 and the last question of this paper. Here are the 4 sentences A, B, C and D. Put them in order to make a paragraph. The possible orders are suggested below. Here the options are given here and A, B, C, D. This is the sequence. We have to arrange it into a correct sequence, logical sequence. So here the first one is, the correct option is here. So the first one is B. I could not get up from the bed. This is the problem. This is the problem. The story should start with what happened first. And the second is C. My mother, this one is first, this one is second. My mother took me to a doctor because I was unable to get up. My mother took me to the doctor. This is logically follows this first sentence. And the third is D. Here the doctor saw I had high fever. Here after reaching the doctor, he checks and finds the fever. This is logically correct sequence. And the fourth one is the doctor gave me an injection. Finally, the doctor treats me. This is the last step. Hope you are clear with this. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for regular videos. And there are many more competitive exam based exercises on my channel. You can watch it for more perfection in your grammar part.